welcome to another Care Collab video. All links to the participating YouTube channels are listed in the description below. Dendrobium Roy Tokunaga is a hybrid between Dendrobium atroviolaceum and Dendrobium johnsoniae. Both species naturally occur in the warm and humid rainforests of Papua New Guinea. They occur naturally at altitudes between 500 and 700 meters above sea level. Papua New Guinea is located north of Australia. Daytime temperatures range between 25 and 40 degrees centigrade. At night, the temperatures go down to 16 to 18 degrees centigrade. These temperatures occur almost all year round. The rainforests on the island thrive due to the high humidity caused by a lot of rainfall and good airflow. Here's a quick view at the habitat of both parent species. You can easily notice the humid and windy habitat. In these forests, all kinds of orchids thrive. I grow my plants in the home environment, which poses a bit of a challenge when it comes to humidity. The bulbs of this orchid are long, slender and ribbed, and they usually carry 2 to 3 leaves at the top. But 4 leaves is not an exception. Also, the flower spikes emerge from between the leaf joints, and each bulb can produce several flower spikes. This is a replacement plant I bought at the end of last summer. I stupidly dropped my original plant and destroyed it. Of course, this plant came in compacted moss that's really starting to deteriorate, and after a few months of adjusting, it's time to carefully remove the old moss and replace it with a good grow mix. The old sphagnum moss was so compacted that it took me approximately 45 minutes to carefully remove it from the fine and brittle roots. Here's all the moss removed and the remaining root ball after rinsing under the tap. And this is what it looks like after trimming off all the bad, dead or broken roots. Because I grow in a home environment, my potting mix differs a bit from what's normally used. It consists of 3 parts fine bark, 1 part charcoal and 1 part of chopped cocoa husk. To replace the sphagnum moss, I use Syntic, a synthetic product made from recycled materials that has the same absorption rate but doesn't break down or becomes acidic. I take some strings and cut them into lengths of approximately 2.5 centimeters or 1 inch and mix it in with the media. Again, potting up the plants must be done carefully so we don't snap the brittle and fine roots. After repotting, I water and even drench the potting media for an hour or so. For this, I use a light solution of seaweed and osmosis or rainwater. After the potting and watering is done, I place the plant back into his ornamental pots. This stabilizes the plant so it won't tip over easily and holds a bit of moisture. Hope you liked this video, thanks for watching and see you next time.